Hello, this is Scott Fader. I'm co-founder, president, and managing partner at Shrewd Marketing LLC. This is a series of videos just talking about the performance of websites and how speed, mobility, and security can make a difference in the performance of your website from a local search and web visibility perspective. The title of this one is your website safe? Can it be trusted? As I mentioned, there are several website performance metrics, but to perform at the highest levels, the website must be fast and load quickly. It must be mobile friendly. It must be safe and secure. There's several blog articles out there, but late last year, August, Search Engine Land of 2014 suggested that Google is starting to give a ranking boost to secure websites. Websites that have HTTPS or secure socket layer certificate in the browser. It says it's a small ranking benefit, it's a signal, and why shouldn't it be? I mean, if you're a customer or consumer visiting a website, don't you want to know that your communications are secure, that they're encrypted? Here's another one from Digisert, the blog, just suggesting that, again, starting to give an SEO rank boost to websites that are SSL enabled. And then Mac CDN blog, a recent post showing the top positions of Google and the percentage of websites that actually have HTTPS or are considered secure. So there are a variety of tests that you can take. There are many tools out there, but at the end of the day, secure websites give visitors a greater level of trust, right? The business is registered, the business owns the domain, the business protects data transmission. Safety and security. For a website to be deemed safe, it has to accomplish several things. Has to maintain the confidentiality of communications and transactions during exchanges of information. This is really important for e-commerce sites. Having consumer information such as credit card information is very vital. You wouldn't want to do an electronic transaction on a website that is deemed insecure or not safe. Or conversely, you want to make sure that it is safe and secure before you give that trusted information. The same is for giving your email address. It's going into a database. Can that be compromised in any way? So HTTP versus HTTPS. When you visit a website, there is a data exchange between your browser and the website server. HTTP is traditionally known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And thanks to Komodo for this graphic, but that HTTP data transfer is really an insecure connection between the user and the server. It's plain text. The HTTPS denotes that there's an added layer of security. That is an encrypted connection. The data exchange cannot be intercepted. So how can you tell if a site is secure? Well, the easiest way is to look for HTTPS in front of the domain on the browser. So here at makeitlocal.com, you see HTTPS, meaning secure. This has a secure, safe site certificate. Okay, denotes SSL. The other way to look is to see if there is a padlock. Many of the websites now, the browsers in Chrome, are showing a padlock in front of the domain itself. And then taking it a step further, if there's other levels of certification and validation, you might even see that company name lit up in green. So HTTPS, the padlock, and a green browser bar. So there are plenty of places to go and find out if a website is secure. You can actually take a test. You can go to the Shrewd Marketing LLC website, shrewdmktg.com/SEO. There's in the upper right hand corner shows you the Qualys SSL Labs domain test. Did this report for makeitlocal.com, a national directory site that Shrewd builds and hosts, manages, and validated that our site has an overall rating of an A, meaning the certificate checks out, We have the right protocol and support. The exchanges are fine, and there's actually an overall summary, an overall rating. There's some documentations and some issues that can be listed for further verification. So I encourage you to take a look at the security of your website, take the test, and see how you stack up. For more information about having a secure website, feel free to contact me. You can see we've done a variety of websites, and they're all HTTPS via whether it's Valpak Rochester, the Zonk Shop and e-commerce, workwear, Make It Local Directory, Sealing and Plowing for Home Improvement, a spa company, or Shrewd Marketing at shrewdmktg.com.